For 75 years, continuous improvement has been at the heart of everything that Simmons does. So as the fourth generation owner of my wife's family, I'm very proud to continue that tradition and ensure that we are getting better each and every day in every aspect of the organization. In the 1940s, the focus was on consumer bread slicing blades. After a handful of years, we realized that we could be more successful if we focused on the commercial bakeries. Soon after that, we realized that those same blades that are really good for cutting bread can be good at cutting other things, such as foam rubber, your mattresses, your cushions, your foam packaging. Another pivotal shift was made by my father-in-law, who was a third generation owner, made a strong move into the international markets, which has proven to be very successful for Simmons as we continue to grow our footprint. What each of the generations have brought to the table is a really strong desire to make sure we're treating our employees well and treating our customers well. The technical aspects can be learned, but if you have that passion, good things are generally going to happen to you. Several years ago at Simmons, we created a new product development team. If we were going to truly be partners with our customers, we needed a more disciplined approach to ensure that we are launching products that are going to meet their specifications.
We go over ideas of either new products, or maybe there's an emerging trend in the industry. You go to trade shows and customers, the first question out of their mouth is, well, what's new at Simmons?
We try to have a wider product offering to meet our customers' needs. We also look at other ways of producing our blades. We have recently invested in some new equipment to build our blades faster and better.
We strive to take waste out of every single process, whether that be on the shop floor or in the office. And ultimately, that's going to help satisfy the customer better because we're able to get them a product more efficiently and more effectively and at a lower cost.
With 75 years of experience, we have a lot of people around here, both salespeople and production people, that have a lot to offer.
We have many tenured employees here who have been here for 20, 30, 40 years. And that kind of institutional knowledge of the industry is really hard to replicate and something that we're very proud of.
The future for Simmons is bright. You have a management team who wants to do more. We don't just want to be good at what we're doing, we want to say, okay, what's the next step?
We are adding new machinery. We're going into new geographical markets. We are serving new industries. The list goes on and on. As I reflect on our 75 years in the industry and how proud I am of those 75 years, I'm even more excited for the next chapter in Simmons history.